yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. Intwana se Kings bathi umtimandi umabuyu bambolunya uhlase ubhodla amanzi abafokazane bebhodla utshwala. Hey yo, welcome to Coca TV mntanami. Make sure that you call a friend to call a friend and subscribe on King Ginger TV. This is your #1 show bafethu. Angisakufuni. It's over mntanami njengebhakabhaka lifasa amathambo njengekapi iflathelene lento yenu into engekho njengamanzi ephela empompini yamanzi eshedamini. It's Biblically King bafethu angisakufuni. As you all know, guys, I'm bringing you exciting stories because people want to break up with people, and King Ginger is there to make sure that he helps people to break up. After this one, I'll be bringing you in my first guest. Hey yo, we are back at it, and you know it's going crazy, it's going bananas. I'll be bringing in my brother first, Tyler. So this is what Tyler, come on, brother.
Yeah.
Are you Tyler Perry or are you Tyler?
Just Tyler, man. Just _ Tyler.
_ Tyler. Mina ku Tyler ngizombiza ngo Tyler, like Tyler Perry.
Yes, for
Okay,
sure.
njaya
Kimnati,
Kimunati mfethu.
yeah.
Take me in, man. I saw the email, but I want you to take me from the beginning. How did you meet Mandisa? I'm going to say to Mandisa.
Yeah,
on the email.
Mandisa,
Okay,
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Mandisa, we met at Eastgate Mall, you see.
Sure.
So yeah, I was with my friends there chilling. Ngabona,
Yeah.
beautiful.
Inhliziyo yakho
Yeah,
yakutshela.
yangitshela ukuthi, this is the one, man.
Power to that.
So I just had to go for him.
Sure.
Yes. Ngishaya kayi
No. We are not here to charge,
Oh, yeah.
but we are here to help people. We are one, my brother.
Yeah.
So when nomandisa chemistry yenu maniqala nithandana ungathi beyikanjani?
Well, the chemistry, yeah, it was there. Everything was man, you know. So, ngiyamncanya prior, you feel me? But then, yeah, since vele busy ukuthi ngizohlungana naye.
Sure.
But yeah, everything was
So what is the reason you and Mandisa are breaking up?
Well, I actually met someone else, you feel me?
So now you met a girl. So now you're dumping Mandisa. Now you're moving back to girls now.
Yeah, because ngibonile ukuthi aziyakhipha kayi yabo.
So uzobuya nini futhi ngala emachiteni?
I doubt ukuthi ngizobuya Prime because akayizi yakhipha Prime ngitholile into emnandi. Yeah, ngitholile into emnandi sengiyacaba ukuthi ikhambane and then.
But mfethu udlala ngama feelings kaMandisa.
Prime uMandisa mfethu kumele understand mfethu because naye uyacaba ukuthi unama flops wakhe yabo. So yeah, hayi. Mandisa unokungitshela ukuthi sometimes mase kumele ngiyenze into zakhona ngitshele ngama pain nani. So angiyabona kara okay into ziyaspressa Brian zenze.
No, power to that, my auntie. And yazi bhuti I want to say power to you for ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ube nale encouragement ukuthi uze and tell me ukuthi, you know what, Ginger, I've been dating guys for quite a long time now, and bengithi nami ngiyasitshontsha and all of that, but like I wanna date. I met this person and I want to continue with this person now. So you want to leave Mandisa? Okay, my brothers, sizokhuluma no Mandisa, but kuzomela ukuthi explainele Mandisa ukuthi why wena ungasamfuni yena. It's because yena akakushayisi grand, uyacomplainela yonke into relationship yenu inama 1s and 2s and 3s. You understand le nto le? Angithi kunjalo?
Kunjalo Brian, yana ngizomtshela kumele ngimtshele.
Okay, no, my brother, I trust you. So what we're going to be doing right now, I'm gonna give you my phone so that we can call Mandisa. Mandisa doesn't know my numbers. So I'm gonna give you my phone to call Mandisa, and you're gonna say to Mandisa, we are outside. Can you please come? We meet like usual. We are born alone, and then when he comes out, and then Minangzo intervene again, and then we do the shandis. Are you good with that?
Yeah, I'm good.
Did you bring your phone?
Yeah, I actually know her number.
You know her numbers. You know her numbers by heart.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. All right, guys. As he is still dialing, this one is a very, very interesting one. As we all know, Utayla mfethu is dating Umandisa, and Umandisa is out, and Umandisa agazi ukuthi today is gonna be dumped. Put it on the speaker. Oh. Imagine number. Ima start again. Where is it? Oh. Itayile futhi again. Yabona ukuthi ivele yanqaba. Itayile futhi again. Yeah, you can dial again and put it on the speaker again. Say, oh no. This time. Yeah. All right, so we are calling Mandisa. It's ringing. Say your name first so that you can understand.
Sure Mandisa ukhuluma noTyler ne.
Ubani?
uTyler.
Oh.
Yeah,
Unjani?
right wena.
Right.
I'm all right. So bheka ne ngaphandle I just came to see you so I thought we should talk wabo.
Uphandle?
Yeah, ngaphandle kopo tswele montle re kgone ho bolela. I have something to discuss with you.
Okay.
Yebo.
My brother?
Yeah.
So now it's your turn to do your business, my brother.
Yeah.
Me, I will be following you.
All
And ziyakhala. Musukulala baba. How? All right, put on push. Ziyakhala. King Ginger TV, but subscribe abantu. And I just want to say thank you guys. I love you Zimbabwe. I love you guys Namibia, Botswana, Lesotho, Swaziland, Angola, Congo, Kenya, Libya. Mangakakbali, ngiyakbala now. All the African countries, you guys are the giants. Europe, everyone there. I love you, everyone on the globe, bruh. We love you at King Ginger TV, but today we are breaking up.
I'm good. Yeah, it's been a while, eh? Yeah, so yeah, I have something to discuss with you. I actually have a confession.
Sure.
So yeah, can you
Sure, my
come
brother.
over here? So we
Wazi
can
sikhulume
talk?
Tyler wangenela kini nje woza.
Yeah, let's
Mandisa.
talk.
Hi Mandisa. Unjani? Shap. Hayi Mandisa ngenzela ukuthi singarush la ngakini because ngibona ngathi kusasekuseni yabo. Yeah. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Mandisa. No, Mandisa, we've heard a lot of things about you from Thailand, eh? And izinto ezimnandi. So I just want us to have a chat. Can we have a chat that side, please?
Yeah,
Yes,
go.
thank you. Right. Oh, Tyler, no. Nice to meet you finally, Mandisa. We've heard a lot of nice things about you. Ukuthi umuntu alright and umuntu olungile. But I have a few questions for you. Mina, my name is King Ginger, ne? Yes. So uyamazi Tyler ngithi?
Yeah, I'm
So you and Tyler are?
lovers.
Lovers. And friend, come this side, lovers. Mandisa, uzangalani. So you guys are lovers, right?
Yeah.
All right. Mandisa, Utala told us about a lot of things about you, nice things, the way in Patana Ngakona and everything. What is it that you love about Tyler?
Smart.
Yeah.
He's a hardworking man.
Yeah, power to that. And Batanda Benjalo and
Yeah.
right. Hey guys, if I was shooting my other show, ngabe saying it's Bafanas. Balana my notes. But today it's not about that. No, that's actually a lot of things about you. But today there's something that he wanna confess to you. Tyler?
Yeah. Yeah, Mandisa, you right? I'm good. Yeah, I called you out, I actually have a confession to make. Yeah,
I'll tell
I met someone.
Yabona le am
Yeah.
yakho. Awuyisho ngi-am laphana.
Yeah.
Wena mtshele mfethu uMandisa the way ubungitshela ngakhona.
All right, Mandisa, I found someone else, I found someone else. I met this girl, as you know, Nakai. So I met this girl and I found out that it's good. Well, yeah, I mean, girls. So,
So Mandisa, my brother,
Yeah.
say everything you told me. Everything. Pour your heart out. Mandisa is here, is not running. Pour your
all
heart
right.
out.
Okay, Mandisa, I met this girl, and we went out, and after our first date, we went to my place and we had sex, So I just wanted to tell you, Guti,
You enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it, no cap, you feel me? So, I'm done, with the playing for that other team.
Awusamfuni.
All right.
This is about Mandis.
Mandis.
You must remember that Mandisa ngicela uyichaza kahle lento. Uthi Tyler akasakufuni wena because wena Mandisa when he wants to go for Shilai, you are always complaining that you don't want lots of Shilai too much, and when you are tired nini kubhlungu nini soyenza nini uyamtrekisa, so yena usekhathele, and yena he met a girl and that girl is giving her sex all the time when she wants it. Mtshele why uhlule ukukhuluma indaba zakho mfethu?
Eish Brian, just that mfethu umandisa sometimes unokuthi makakwata mfethu awufuna ukunwapana yabo.
Mandisa
So manje
ya musa ngcono umele ngalana
Really
because umandisa bathi unenkinga yakhe.
Yeah.
Mandisa wena ke uyayizwa indaba esizele la uthi akasakufuni and it's over, so wena from today this is not your lover.
yeah, me I actually came
This
to
is my lover.
This is no longer your lover.
How? What do you mean? This
Mandisa
is my love?
phela
'Cause
Ngizothandana naye until I say
so
kanja, mina I'm saying I'm done because our girl
mina I'm not done. I'm
Yena-
not done. I'm not done.
Well, me I'm done and
kanti Mandisa, what was the agreement when you guys started dating? What's when you gonna be done when you're done?
she never told me that, man. She told me after isikhathi ukuthi yena akathatha ama breakup nani, but then
Oh, uye wakutshela ukuthi awathatha ama breakup.
well yena hey
That's why ke silana ke Mandisa. This one you're gonna accept it. Love it or not love it. This is no longer your
I'm
lover.
gonna kill that girl.
No, I
I'm
get.
gonna kill that girl.
how why?
I'm gonna
Okay, give me that one good reason why.
You are my man.
Yeah.
Not anymore.
Uyindoda yami.
Not
Yebo.
anymore. I'm actually done. It's over. Angisakufuni.
Why?
Like I told you.
You don't give him enough. You don't give him enough time. You don't do awenzi zona Mandisa.
Complaina ngobuhlungu.
Ucomplaina ngobuhlungu wena nini ucomplaina ngokukhathala. Wena Mandisa wena uthanda le ndoda kodwa uyinika izinto ekufanele ngabe uyayinika yona. I-out ayithandi sex mfethu. Kumele nawe uhlale wenza sure ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi. Uyabona? So mfethu Mandisa, ngizocela ukuthi uyithathe kahle lento and accept it. Akasakufuni, it's over. You need to go and find your new man.
That's it.
Ungawi ngicela umbambe musa ngathi uyaqhubuleka.
ngesiyezi.
Shayisa ngesiyezi ne? Sorry siswami indaba vele ezibhlungu zokuhlukana ishayisana ngesiyezi. So uyayi-accept or you-accept the invitation?
I don't accept it. Don't touch me.
Oh, manje-
Now sister now Mandisa
Hawu,
masuku
ungasondeli
usondela kuye.
ke, hawu.
Uyakusaba
Ufuna
phela.
ukukhombisa ubudoda bakho ke manje.
Hawu. Ufuna ukumlimaza.
Hey.
Hawu.
Eh?
Mina sengicedile man.
Akasakufuni Mandisa
You want me to
Mandisa.
spell it out for
Mandisa,
you?
Mandisa man.
Yabo?
Mandisa.
Yabo? Nayi lento ngihleli ngikhala ngayo le.
Mandisa.
Nayi lento.
Mandisa sulela indoda manje.
Hawu.
Awurelax maningi amadoda la ngaphandle.
Hawu.
Le ayisakufuni.
Ufuna ukukhomba ubudoda bakho manje.
This is my
Hawu.
man.
Ngenkani yini Mandisa?
Yebo, umuntu wami.
I mean I'm done ke with you. I'm done.
Mandisa.
Yo.
Mandisa.
Nayi lento ngihleli ukukhuluma ngayo. Nayi lento ngihleli ukukhuluma.
Unokushaya yini awutham?
Hawu, lo muntu njalo makakwata ufuna ukunwapana nje.
Mandisa.
Angithathi mina le, angicedile.
Mandisa it's over. Siyahamba manje socela ungasilandeli. Phindela lapha endlini kini osojukutshela ngamatshe thina muzo lokhu uyilwisa la.
Hamba uyohlala udlale nenja zakho like you
Ngizokubamba.
always do, mina I'm done.
Ngizokubamba.
Akuna floor.
Mandisa Mandisa khuzeka. Khuzeka.
Me I'm done ke.
Awutham asambe ngaza kulimaza Mandisa.
Yes sir.
Okay. Sorry. Wena yabona nawe ke mfethu.
Ayi,
Ungasho
mfethu.
ngani pho ukuthi Mandisa uyashayana?
Ayi mfethu.
Ufonela bapho? Ufonela bani?
Ya ungababiza nabo Grootman bakho ubatshela ngibasabi mina eyami nawe iphelile.
Awusabasabi wena. Awusabasabi wena manje.
Ngisabasabi kuyafana.
Masambeni bafethu la sisukeni la woza Chris. My brother, talk to me mfethu. Talk to me njengoba sesiqedile mfethu. How do you feel njengoba usumtshelile Mandisa ukuthi it's over mfethu? Ngicela ubonge na King Ginger TV.
Well,
Yeah.
Yeah, hey. Even though ngiyacaba ukuthi uzobathumela uGrootman bakhe but
Bakushaye
then
futhi.
bangishaye bazongimura mara akunandaba eyami ngicedile ngiyabonga CMTV for helping me out ukuthi ngicine ngikhuluma naye ngimkhonile fanele.
Hayi, iKing Ginger TV ke lekusizile this
Yebo,
time.
asibonge.
Akuyona iCMTV. Ungayibongela kwiKing Ginger TV.
King Ginger TV sibonge. Appreciate it.
Ihlangene neCMTV.
Yeah, ihlangene ne-CMTV
Yes.
Collaboration.
Collaboration.
Sibonge. I appreciate it, man.
Power to that bafethu. Ungabaleki ngeza ngala ngaziqhama abantu.
Yes.
As you all know, guys, it's going crazy, it's going bananas. My name is King Ginger, and this is King Ginger TV. Angisakufuni. It's over, mtanami. Ashayikhumba isivibe bafethu.